Alright, this is jmastayugi and he's opening a box of Crossroad of Chaos. Enjoy.
Tape.
Yeah, and you say Asian people can't open boxes, huh?
Hey, I'm part Asian.
Whatever.
Did you end it?
No.
First pack.
You can't.
Ghoster.
Battle Mania.
Battle Mania.
Dude, my honest is gonna survive. It's gonna survive. It's gonna survive. It's gonna survive. He's got nothing.
What the?
He can't do it.
Everything's upside down. It was a tiger dragon, rare. What else? Black Rose? Black Rose? Oh, Iron Chain. Not bad. Not bad.
I approve.
If anyone wants it.
No, I don't have a piece one.
Hey, dude, I only have like 5% battery, so you might want to... What the hell? All these packs are just messed up. What the... I don't know.
Yes, I was like, what the fuck?
I don't really care about that card.
Mosaic.
Mosaic.
I'm in that class.
University 102. Sucks.
Oh, finally.
A Black Rose.
Something I've never gotten.
Black Rose.
I mean,
Rose Warrior.
I mean, damn. There's a rose in there, man. And I was
That was my
confused.
ultimate. Dang it.
That was your ulti?
Yeah.
How many ultis do you get in the pack?
One.
I forgot. One? Oh. Cactus fighter.
Oh, that's really game. Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Thanks,
Oh,
Spreader.
Plague.
Wow.
Ultimate Plague Spreader.
Ultra.
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 Damn it!
That would have been good like a year ago.
Yeah.
That's still traded though.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's still trading.
What is with these packs? They're upside down like everywhere.
Yeah, it's good. Plague Spreader.
Secret ritual.
Yeah.
Battle Mania.
You always need that.
That'd be sick. Urgent tuning.
Urgent tuning.
Polynosis.
Trying to get a Black Rose or something?
Polynesis. Polynesis for the win.
I still got one more ultra, so
And
high
a ghost,
hopes.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, if I could get a ghost.
Is there something in this one?
No.
No. Wow.
What was that card?
Prideful Roar.
I have a bunch of them.
Dude,
This is my fourth box. Miracle Fertilizer.
Miracle Fertilizer. It's a miracle. Miracle. It's a miracle. It's upside down again. What the hell?
I don't like this one.
I don't like it either, but
This is pretty good so far.
It's good so far, but I'm lacking on a lot of stuff.
I win $1.3.
What the? Secret rare Black Rose Dragon.
Black Rose Dragon Secret Rare. Misprint.
Oh my god.
Black Garden. What?
Oh my
That's
god.
an awesome card, by the way, if you can use that.
4 and counting.
This is number 4, I think.
Oh, Psychic Trigger. For all them Psychic type people. Pokemon, Yugioh, whatever.
Bring out the psychic in you.
That's upside down again.
That looks like a hollow.
Oh,
Or just crap.
it's gorgeous crap.
Actually, did. You gotta call me.
Psychic Life Transfer.
Super poly.
And life.
Super
Yeah.
poly. Oh wait, wrong box.
Super Poly.
Oh,
no.
nice.
That's sexy.
Retriari.
Retiari.
That's
I thought it was Retiari.
That's nice.
Okay. For them Gladiator beasts, I know you want this
Okay, all I
card.
need now is a Black Rose
Are you gonna
Dragon.
trade it or give it to Mike?
I don't know.
No, trade it.
Trade
Trading
it.
rare.
Shit.
Trade it.
Rare one's only $5.
More Polynesis. Damn it! I hate you.
Yeah, I need to get a Black Rose still.
No black.
Titanium.
Oh,
Hey, that's-
Titanium.
I'm
That's
fine with that.
I'm cool with that one too.
Alright, let's go for a Ghost Rare. That'd be sick.
That's rare.
Ghost Rare up.
Hey,
Oh,
that's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Actually,
What are
for
you talking about?
spellcasters, this is an awesome card for you guys.
Yeah, I think
Those things are dope. Yeah,
Yeah, so far
actually, I have a
it's
pretty good
actually
box.
really good.
Strike zone. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Strike Zone here again.
It's all like all the packs are upside down.
I do not want to buy another pack. Must urge not buy. Oh, that kind of fused my urge. So far,
Last dose. Last
You know.
dose.
Yeah.
Ghost Rare. Oh, I don't like transfer. What is up with those?
Trick
Well, last
you out.
one.
Okay, last
last
pack.
one.
Let's see
He's
if-
been known
see
to
if-
pull out something amazing on the last packs.
Nothing.
See you around.
Miracle Fertilizer. Oh my god!
Okay. Everything is for trade.
Everything's for trade.
Bam. If you need commons or rares, I
hey,
have
move
all of them.
Titanium. I want to see Retiro.
Bam.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Peace.
All right.